today's video, we will be converting two small wooden doors into one two-car garage door with the center column removed. We usually get asked to do this type of project because the customer is wanting to have a little more space to park two vehicles in their garage. Other advantages include not having to do maintenance on two opener motors and two garage doors. Upgrading your old garage doors with a new design that better complements your home will add value and curb appeal that might otherwise be lacking. Spectrum Overhead Door works hand in hand with the contractor to perform all of these 2-to-1 garage door conversions. Removing all of the old garage doors, all the track, and all the hardware is step one for this project. You can see the contractor is removing the steel plate that is going to be used for reinforcement. On these conversion projects, we use either a steel plate or a solid wood header that goes all the way across the opening. The materials that would be used on your project would depend on the overall span of the opening and the weight of the roofline. You can see that the plate has been securely installed. Now they can begin removing the centerpiece and the post. We're really glad to be working with Ken and his company. They always do great work. We coordinate with them on the day of install to make sure that they get in and do what they need to do, and they get everything prepped and ready to go for our garage door technicians to make the install. Yes, it looks a little messy during construction, but these guys are professionals and everything gets cleaned up really nice. Before they're done, they're going to have everything caulked and painted and the floor swept clean. If you're needing floodlights, security cameras, or additional outlets, our contractor will do a fantastic job getting this taken care of for you. Here's our company truck pulling up. It looks like it's about time to install the garage door. David has a ton of experience in garage doors. They're an amazing team working together, and they always get everything tuned up and looking perfect. I just can't emphasize enough the quality of these steel back insulated garage doors. They're really worth every penny, and you'll always feel like you have one of the highest quality products installed. Of course, we install garage door opener motors too, and we have many quality units to choose from. It's making sure that the door is balanced properly, that the spring tension is set correctly, making sure that everything's aligned as it should. A properly aligned and balanced garage door is an amazing thing to have. Okay, looks like the inside is completely done. There's some extra strut bracing to support the panels. That's standard on these steel back insulated doors. You can see the door operating very smoothly on the way down. These opener motors are quiet and smooth. LiftMaster is one of the best products on the market. We install a lot of LiftMaster units. Okay, this door is complete. It's beautiful. Everything's cleaned up. Really love the long panel design with the windows. Everything matches the home just perfectly. If you have any questions for us, just give us a call at our office. You can reach us at 281-748-9542. Thank you for watching our video today, and we hope you have a blessed day.